How to uninstall updated Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. Uninstall button grayed out or disabled, step by step. I am trying to uninstall Microsoft Edge in simple way. Go to Apps and find Edge. Click Microsoft Edge. But uninstall button is gray out. Now I am going to uninstall Microsoft Edge through command prompt. Type CMD in search box. Right-click on command prompt and select Run as administrator. Go to Program File x86. Go to Microsoft directory. Go to Edge directory. Go to Application directory. Go to 83.0.478.64 directory. Go to Installer directory. Run the command. Setup space dash dash uninstall space dash dash system dash level space dash dash verbose dash logging. The press enter. Click and uninstall. Updated Microsoft Edge uninstall successfully. Run Microsoft Edge. See downgrade Chromium Edge to Legacy Edge. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.